have something on my father. Can you keep a secret? Cross your heart and hope to die.
Father, son, and house of Gucci.
Fuck.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Diamond.
Italian leather, sporting $1,000 sweaters in spring weather. Triple goose feathers, watch Casino and Goodfellas. Crash dummies taught to do whatever the hood tell us, and buy with the white man sellers. Margellas or the lamb chops, filet mignon with steamed carrots. Rappers bleed for street merit, but ain't never seen Paris. Nigga, you should be embarrassed. Take your contract and tear it. Trash music that you making, we do not wanna hear it. I won't like it or share it. The meek shall inherit. She a free spirit, wear French braids like Bo Derek. Niggas claim to go get it till you find out your favorite rapper broke with bad credit. People saying I'm the best, go check the thread, it's on Reddit. Stand on it if I said it. All lames get beheaded, no games, who wanna bet it? On the ghost beat I dead it. Smoking grass, niggas gas be unleaded. Reach for my chain and you won't live to regret it. What the
I'm outfitted in Paris. That's exclusive and red.
My chain look like a Blue Day Paris, I swear again.
she goes.
I'm outfitted in Paris. That's exclusive and red.
Vineyards and friends. Yachts out in Cannes.
Look what God did. Turn chili fries into fried squid. The club looking live, I'm trying to see what the vibe is. No time for surprises. Make it home before the sun rises. Diamond light shining bright, ultraviolet when my gun cock. Heat get wave, you need sunblock. Skin grafts and whatnot, nigga. What the blood clot? Gold slug mug shots. Pot that I just got from Sunspot. Screaming fuck the cops like a young pop. The key to life is knowing how to unlock doors and properly fight a case when the gun not yours. I saw rap battles turn into all-out wars till niggas is getting rocked like the Fallout Boys. Shots flying Somerset, clear them all out, boy. They start playing with the kid, I'm bringing all my toys. Deploy troops, bowler bok choy soup, 40 below boost, Gucci snowsuit.
That's exclusive and red. I'm outfitted in Paris. That's exclusive and red.
My chain look like a Blue Day Paris, I swear again.
I'm outfitted in Paris. That's exclusive and red.
Vineyards and friends. Yachts out in Cannes.
I'm outfitted in Paris. That's exclusive and red.
My chain look like a Blue Day Paris, I swear again.
I'm outfitted in Paris. That's exclusive and red.
Vineyards and friends. Yachts out in Cannes.